Namaste and welcome back to our channel, your space for exploring the timeless wisdom of yoga. Today we are going to dive deep into the Pawanmuktasana Series, a profound sequence of practices that holds the power to transform your physical, mental and energetic health. In this video, we will focus entirely on understanding the detailed theory behind this series, its origin, benefits and why it is a must for every yoga practitioner, no matter where they are on their journey. So settle in, take a deep breath and let's begin. The word Pawanmuktasana comes from Sanskrit. Pavan means wind or prana, the life force energy. Mukta means release. Asana means pose or posture. Together, Pawanmuktasana refers to a series of asanas designed to remove blockages that hinder the free flow of energy in the body and mind. These blockages can result from bad posture, stress, emotional imbalance, or an unhealthy lifestyle. Over time, they can lead to stiffness, tension, and even chronic illness. The Pawanmuktasana series, created by Swami Satyananda Saraswati, is a systematic approach to gently opening up the body and balancing the energy within. This series is divided into 3 distinct groups, each targeting specific areas of the body and mind. First, Anti-Rheumatic Group focuses on removing stiffness from the joints, ideal for beginners, elderly individuals, and those with arthritis or joint pain. It's the foundation of the series, and we will explore this in detail in our next video. Second, Digestive or Abdominal Group stimulates the digestive organs, improving digestion and addressing issues like constipation and bloating. It is perfect for bringing balance to the abdomen and strengthening the core. Third, Shakti Bandha Group. These asanas focuses on releasing deeper energy blockages and awakening dormant energy. They prepare the body and mind for advanced yogic practices. Each group complements the others, creating a holistic practice that benefits your entire psychological system. Many people underestimate the power of the Pawanmuktasana series because of its simplicity. But let me tell you, it is one of the most effective tools for maintaining health and preparing for more advanced yoga. Here is why it is so important. It improves joint mobility by gently opening all the major joints of the body. It enhances blood circulation, ensuring that every cell receives the nutrients it needs. It removes energy blockages, allowing prana to flow freely, which is essential for both physical and mental health. It cultivates mind-body awareness, teaching us to move with mindfulness and stay connected to the present moment. It is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. The true power of this series lies in its ability to harmonize the body and mind. In today's world, many diseases are psychosomatic. They stem from stress, anxiety, and emotional imbalances. When we practice Pawanmuktasana with awareness and synchronized breathing, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the mind and relaxes the body. This creates a ripple effect. Stress levels drop, hormonal functions balance, the body's internal organs start functioning more efficiently. Remember, these asanas are not just physical movements. They are subtle exercises or sukshma vyayam that works on the deeper layer of our being. Before practicing the Pawanmuktasana series, keep these tips in mind. First, practice in a calm and relaxed environment, free from distractions. Second, move slowly and mindfully. There is no rush. Third, synchronize your movements with your natural breath. Fourth, stay aware. Observe how your body and mind respond to each movement. In our next video, we will explore the first group, the Anti-Rheumatic Group, in detail. This group is perfect for loosening the joints and creating a foundation for more advanced asanas. I hope this in-depth look at the Pawanmuktasana series has inspired you to incorporate it into your yoga practice. In the next video, we will guide you through the Anti-Rheumatic Group step by step. So make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to check out other playlists on yoga philosophy, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, chakras, mudras, pranayam, and many more to deepen your understanding of yoga as a holistic practice. Stay connected, stay mindful, and I will see you in next video. Namaste.